friends, welcome to another recipe. Today I have brought a salad recipe for everyone. This salad is a complete meal. Most of the dinner we have this salad. One plate of salad is enough to fill a stomach. So come, let's start. First I have taken one packet of sausage. If you don't want sausage for all vegetarians, you can skip this. I'm cutting it into thin slices. You can see this way you have to cut. Okay, next remaining all sausage I'm going to cut it in the same way. I'm going to put it in a pan. Now I'm going to cook it. Just add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with it. You have to cook this. Now it started boiling and my sausages are almost cooked. I'm going to drain it out and keep it aside. Now I have taken a pan, added a butter. I'm going to cook this sausage until it gets roasted from both the sides. So I'm going to add some sausages which I have already drained and kept aside. Here I'm using a normal sausages. If you have already spiced sausages, so there's only enough to roast it. No need to add any extra spices to it. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can add pepper powder according to your spice. Next I'm going to add some oregano with it. A pinch of oregano I'm going to spread all over. Now you have to mix this all together and you have to cook this sausage until it gets roasted from both the sides, until we get a golden brown color from both the sides. This salad, it contains veg, fruits as well as chicken. So it is a complete dinner for us. You can see my sausage has been roasted, so it's cooked. Now I'm going to keep this aside. Now next I am taking a purple cabbage. If you don't have a purple cabbage, you can take a normal one. You have to slice this into very thin slice. It should be very thin, then only our salad will be tasty. Okay, you can see the thickness. The same way you have to slice the other. Purple cabbage is good source of vitamin K and provides small amounts of calcium, magnesium and zinc. This helps in our healthy bones and also it keeps our digestive system healthy. So this cabbage is very healthy and nutritious. Now I'm going to keep it in a bowl. You have to make a very thin slice out of it. Okay. So now next I'm going to take a carrot. Here I am using only half carrot. This is enough for my salad. Even carrot I'm going to slice it into very thin slices. Carrot is weight loss friendly food. It is improve our eye health and it has number of health benefits. So to have a carrot daily is very good. You can see how thin I'm slicing it. It should be very thin. That will increase our taste for a salad. Even carrot, it helps in lower cholesterol level also. So you can see the thickness of my carrot. The same way I have to slice rest of the carrots. Now I'm going to keep it in a bowl. Next, I'm going to take lettuce. So you have taken few lettuce leaves. Even this I'm going to slice it in very thin slices. You can see how thin I'm slicing it. The lettuce contains vitamin A, K, which helps to strengthen bones and it also improves our eye health. So this salad is with lot of nutrients. It helps in our digestive system also. If we have this salad in dinner, it's really good for our digestion because at night we need some light food. So this salad, 1 plate of salad is full enough for our dinner. Next I'm going to take an apple. Everyone knows that apple keeps the doctor away. So having apple a day is very good. It has lots of nutrients. Even this I'm going to slice it in small slice. You can see how I'm doing it. So it helps us in lot of nutrition. It helps us in weight loss also. Even it helps in improves our heart health, lower risk of cancer and diabetes. So these are the lots of nutritious value of apple. Even this I'm going to keep it in the side. Next, for the salad I'm going to use a pear. Even this I'm going to cut it into 4 equal parts and going to slice it into the same way as I have done it into apple, small slices. So pear, this provides a significant amount of fiber and essential nutrients, and it helps to reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. So this is also one of the good fruit that you can add it in your salad. It goes with any of the salads. So the salad is with lots of vegetable, greeny leaves, fruits, even chicken, even that is a good protein. If you are vegetarian, you can skip the chicken or sausages. So here my all veggies and fruits have been cut. I have kept it in a bowl. Next I am taking a large bowl. I am adding a creamy Caesar dip. Okay, this is a salad mix. You can use any salad mix. Here I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of salad mix. You can add it according to your quantity of the salad you have. So here I need 2 tablespoons. Next I am going to take a chili mayonnaise. If you don't have a chili mayonnaise, you can take a normal one also. So here this I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of chili mayonnaise. You have to take a 2 tablespoons of chili mayonnaise. Next here I am going to add hot sauce. This will give a little spicy for my salad. So here I am going to add around 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. If you don't want spicy, so you can skip this. I'm going to mix it nicely. Next I'm going to add my ball of veggies and fruits. I'm going to add it in a part and mix it nicely with my salad mix. Everyone try this salad. This is very delicious as well as very nutritious. You can see so colorful my salad is looking with that purple color, green and lots of fruits. Next I'm going to add my sausages which I have already cooked. Nowadays I am in a diet, so I am just having this salad for my dinner. Now you have to mix this with the remaining salad. Mix it nicely. So here my salad is ready. If you like this, please do share with your friends and press the like button. Those who haven't subscribed, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.